I'm Skip Bedell. Today I'm going to show you how to place your initial tile in your Palisade tile installation. There are different ways to approach the first step. Your tile will be placed differently depending upon your project, where you want to start it, and if you want to orient your tiles vertically or horizontally. Let's start with a standard wall project onto drywall, OSB, plywood, or existing tile in either a stacked bond or running bond position. If your project calls for Palisade tiles starting on the floor, you want to make sure your first row is straight and level. Before you get started with the installation of your first course, you want to make sure to trim off the bottom flange of all of the first course tiles so the tiles sit down flush to the surface. To install your first panel, begin with the bottom row and work from left to right due to the profile of the interlocking tongue and grooves. Make sure the first panel fits properly and is level. Then it's time for the adhesive. Before you begin, be sure to wipe the back of your tile and make sure it's clean of debris and dust. Apply a 1/4 inch bead around the perimeter of the tile. Then fill it in with an M or W pattern on the back of the panel. Apply the panel to the substrate by pressing it into place. Wipe off any excess adhesive with water and a cloth before it dries. For more information, check out palisade-tiles.com.